to resin and realness, and it's demold day. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to demold today, so we're going to start with my thinkers. Haven't been able to record many videos because my tripod broke and I have nowhere to set one up at the minute, or even a make do. So we're going to go in with this first. Well, I must say the front is better than the back. I love that. And shall we see the back? I like that. I know you should work upside down, but I sometimes like to work the other way up. They're not bubbles, that's glitter. There's one bubble there. But that's really nice. I don't know where the glitter came from because I didn't use any, and there wasn't any in the mould because I cleaned them previously. But I really like that. That's really nice. I like this one. What would you call this one if you could give it a name? It's stunning. Certainly different. And the back, it does look nice. I like that, but I like that more. Yeah, different. Give this a name. What would you call it? Right, onto my thinkers. I did this with metallic gold, pearl white and copper, I believe. Black pour, pearl white and gold. And I think I've dropped a bit of copper in there as well. Oh wow. I do love that look. That's nice. And there's no bubbles. Next one. The colours. Not sure what that is. This bit here. But aren't they lovely? They're really good. I really do like those. So yeah, my 3 thinkers and my 2 coasters. I don't have anything else to demold today. So yeah, going back to these, drop me a name in the comment of what you'd call it. It looks sandy, beachy vibe. I don't know, I love that one. I'm quite happy with the results. From what I can see, there's no bubbles, just a few divots, like, I'm not sure what that mark is there. You can see the metallic glistening in the light. I love it. So yeah, drop me a name in the comments of what you'd call this one. And the other one, actually, wherever I put it. It'd be interesting to know. So thanks for watching. This has been Resin and Realness, and we'll be back with you with another video. Thank you.